Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to create a loop. Loops are actually really simple. What we're going to do is this little piece of code, this default code that prints out hello world, we're just going to run it 5 times. You can do a more advanced tasks than that, and I'm going to set you a few tasks at the end of this video. So first of all, what you want to do is move into the ECX register the actual number of times you want your loop to run. So I'm going to put 5. Then you put the name of your loop. I'm going to put L1 colon. Then at the end, what you want to do is put loop L1. Okay, so if I run this, it'll work for a long time and then it will basically give us an error. I just want to show you this error before we complete it, just in case you come across it so you know how to solve it. So, okay, so as you can see, it's printed out a line because this is the amount that the loop needs to run. But ECX gets overwritten here. So as a result, we need to push ECX onto the stack. Then we need to pop ECX back after we are no longer using ECX within that iteration of the loop back into the ECX register. Now if we run it, okay, so this is just because I'm using some 32-bit stuff to push and the pop, so I can easily solve this by bits 32, and if I run it, there we go. So I used to run it 5 times. If I was to change this to 2, it'll print it out 2 times. We'll change to 19, for example. I'm not going to count it, but it looks about 19 to me. Okay, so a couple of extra tasks. So what I want you to do is first create a loop that actually just prints out numbers from 0 to 9, and it actually adds 1 onto it. That's one task. The other task is I want you to print out this string, hello, or whatever string you want, but it prints out 1 character at a time. So you print out H, then you print out E, then L, O, and even better, maybe put it on a separate line. And an extra task what you could do on top of that is print out this, but print out only the first character first, the next print out the first and second character, and then the first, second, third. I think you can see where I'm going with that. So have a go at those tasks. If you need any help, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.